Hey everyone, welcome to you in the kingdom of Lion Leo. Friends, we all know that drinking is injurious to our health, but today I want to say 5 drinks that are really healthy for human body. This is not joking. If you want to know which drinks is really healthy, then watch my full video and obviously do subscribe and press the bell icon to get more update. Viewers, our kidneys are the body's star toxin filtering team and need our support to do this job well. Because detoxing is their prime directive, you don't need to feed them any trendy detox aid or supplement. Just need to make sure to stay properly hydrated. Keep in mind that not all drinks are created equal in terms of kidney health. Today I tell you about the 5 best drinks to keep our kidneys clean and happy. They also maintain a healthy blood pressure, keep your bones strong by producing vitamin D, make red blood cells, balance body pH level. Viewers, my first drink's name is wine. This is not kidding. Drinking a moderated amount of wine has been found to lower our risks of kidney disease by about 37%. Among people who already have kidney disease, and if he drinks less than 1 glass of wine per day, are 29% less likely to have accompanying cardiovascular disease. Take wine in moderation. Drinking too much is going to do just the opposite of what you hope to achieve. Not only is it dehydrating, it also has an adverse effect on kidney function and can raise our blood pressure. Red wine does contain a compound called resveratrol, which is thought to improve heart health as well. And second drink's name is Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is a good for preventing and treating urinary tract infection because cranberries have compounds that are able to stop E. coli from hanging around in the urinary tract. E. coli is the type of bacteria that causes between 80 to 90% of all diagnosed UTIs. Cranberry juice is also good for kidneys because kidney is the part of urinary tract. Untreated UTIs can move from the bladder to the kidneys and causes a seriously painful infection called pyelonephritis. Avoid this problem by getting a daily dose of cranberry juice. Number 3 drink name is green ginger tea. Ginger has long been used in holistic medicine for all sorts of application. It is a super healthy because ginger has gingerol that can inhibit the spread of bacteria. This relieves strain on our overworked kidneys and liver. It also helps to control chronic high blood sugar. It helps to reduce risks of diabetes. It can protect against kidney related complications. It's also work promote healthy digestion, even reduce inflammation pain. Number 4 drink is lemon and lime citrus juice. Citrus has high citrate and citrate help to prevent kidney stone. Getting more citrate in your diet list. Try it lemonade with no sugar added or use a little bit of sugar. And number 5 drinking name is water. No surprise, water also drinks, and we know that water opposite name life and 75% water available in human body. Friends, what you think about my episode? Write your opinion in comment box and obviously do subscribe and press the bell icon get more updates.